Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our deep dive into Mercedes-Benz's ambitious next-level production initiative, a bold leap that will redefine how the brand makes its most advanced vehicles. Today, we're focusing on the transformation of the GLC and C-Class lines, powered by the MBDA EQ architecture, and how Mercedes is marrying flexibility, digitalization and AI to build the future of premium mobility. From Bremen to Kecskemét, Mercedes is preparing to launch a sweeping product offensive. It begins with the all-new GLC, the first core model built on the MB.EA platform, slated for production in the first quarter of 2026. Shortly after, the C-Class with EQ technology, a next-generation, electrified variant of Mercedes's mid-size. Sedans will follow in Q2 2026. These vehicles will not just reflect Mercedes's new architecture, they'll anchor a new way of manufacturing. What makes this shift fascinating is the flexible assembly philosophy. At the core, Mercedes will build electric, hybrid and combustion variants of the GLC, and in some plants, even EQE models on the same production line. That means the line that builds your plug-in GLC or full EV GLC will also accommodate the internal combustion and mild hybrid versions, seamlessly switching between variants. It's a bold testament to adaptability in the age of electrification, but the strategy is more than just flexible hardware. It's deeply digital. Mercedes is using digital twin simulations to model new production steps, long before physical changes are made. This enables conversion and construction work in the Bremen and Kecskemét plants to be carried out efficiently, with minimal disruption to existing operations. In effect, the plants themselves were rehearsed virtually, so execution in real life became smoother and more cost-efficient. Supporting that digital backbone is MO360, Mercedes-Benz's ecosystem of AI and data applications. These systems monitor and optimize operations in real time, giving the plant managers predictive analytics, quality diagnostics, and dynamic adjustments. The synergy between digital twins and AI enables the lines to adapt, learn, and evolve even as they run. The implications are profound. Mercedes's ambition is to manufacture future vehicles with a production footprint that is both nimble and scalable. The local-for-local strategy amplifies that goal. The long-wheelbase version of the GLC, tailored for the Chinese market, will be produced locally in Beijing at a later point in time. This flexibility underscores Mercedes's ability to tailor production to regional demand without overhauling entire factories. Let's imagine the timeline. In Q1 2026, new GLCs begin rolling off the lines in Bremen and Kecskemét. These will include variants powered by combustion engines, hybrid systems, and full EV systems built on MB.EA EQ tech. Then, in Q2, conversions begin or lines open for the new C-Class EQ variant, likewise sharing flexible lines with conventional versions. Meanwhile, processes continue to evolve. Digital twins get refined, AI systems learn more, and production becomes more efficient. The flexibility literally translates into value. For customers, it means Mercedes can react faster to market preference shifts. If demand for EV GLC surges, the line can pivot. If hybrid or combustion still dominates in certain markets, those versions can continue. For Mercedes internally, it reduces capital expenditure, minimizes idle time, and compresses the lead time between design changes and implementation. Now, what exactly is MB.EA EQ architecture? It's Mercedes's electric vehicle platform designed to scale across segments, while preserving capability for hybrid or combustion integration in a shared assembly environment. That means the architecture is modular, flexible, and future-oriented, and it enables Mercedes to rationalize production platforms without compromising on specialization. The GLC is the first tangible output of that architecture. As a core model, it carries high strategic importance. It sits at an intersection between mass volume and brand prestige. The new GLC under MB.TA will embody Mercedes' ambition to become a pure EV leader, without abandoning hybrids or combustion too. Quickly. Production investments in Bremen and Kecskemét included extensive construction and conversion measures, new assembly halls, upgraded robots, new logistics flows, adaptive tooling. Because those plants were already operational, Mercedes needed to minimize disruptions. That's where digital twin simulation comes in. Mercedes could rehearse new processes virtually, validate them, and then apply them to the real factory. The result? Faster rollout, fewer errors, lower cost. Meanwhile, the MO360 ecosystem ensures that the plants don't just operate well at day one, they keep getting better. The AI applications monitor throughput, detect anomalies, forecast maintenance, and even manage energy usage. In a line mixing multiple propulsion systems, that intelligence is mission critical. The system must know which variant is being built at each station and adjust protocols accordingly. Torque settings, calibration, testing routines, quality checks, all in real time. Let's zoom in on Kecskemét, the Hungarian hub, often celebrated for its agility. With this investment, Kecskemét transitions from a primarily combustion or hybrid plant to a flexible high-tech cell capable of producing the GLC across its full propulsion spectrum. Bremen, a veteran Mercedes site, will similarly evolve and retrofit with MB.TA capable lines integrated into the existing footprint. And remember, Mercedes plans a local-for-local strategy for China. The long-wheelbase GLC variant, highly prized in the Chinese market, will be built at the Beijing plant at a later stage. That ensures supply chains stay lean and tariffs, logistics and regional customer preferences are properly handled. From the market's perspective, this move is a bet on efficiency, speed and flexibility. Mercedes is signaling that its premium portfolio will lean heavily on electrification, but not at the cost of abandoning combustion or hybrid technology too early. Instead, Mercedes is choosing a coexistence path, built on flexible production that can evolve with demand and regulation. Production beginning in Q1 2026 for the GLC. That's not a placeholder, it's a commitment. Everything up to that point, architecture, plant conversion, digital twin models, AI calibration, must be ready to execute. And come Q2 2026, the C-Class with EQ technology joins the mix, pushing Mercedes deeper into electrified sedans. Over time, other models may adopt the same flexible, high-tech method. As customers or enthusiasts, we may not see the digital twin or the AI logic, but we will benefit from Mercedes's agility. Model updates, variant changes, mid-cycle refreshes, and variant allocations can be delivered faster and at lower cost. The production line becomes a dynamic asset capable of pivoting. In sum, Mercedes's next-level production is more than a manufacturing plan. It's a philosophical pivot, from static assembly lines to living adaptive factories. Their strategy is anchored on MB.TA EQ architecture, flexible multi-propulsion lines, digital twin simulations, AI ecosystem MO360, and local-for-local production, starting with the GLC in Q1 2026 and the C-Class EQ variant in Q2 2026. The future is not fixed. Mercedes is building a manufacturing system that can evolve. And for the GLC and the new electrified C-Class, that translates into faster launches, greater responsiveness, and smarter resource use. A compelling vision for premium automotive production in the electric age. Thank you for tuning in to our exploration of Mercedes-Benz's next-level production strategy. The road ahead is electrified, flexible, and intelligently engineered, and it begins in 2026.